Welcome guys to the channel. Unfortunately, I got a little bit of a depressing, sad video today for you guys, but it's going to be informative. So let's get right into it. Announced today from Consumer Reports, there is going to be a recall for all V8 models that come with the F series cars. So the RCF, GSF, and the LC500 are all being recalled for with issues with the high pressure fuel pumps that the car has. Cars affected by this are the 2015 to 2018 RCF, as well as 2016 to 2018 GSF, and the brand new LC500. Those are all affected. So here is the problem that the fuel pumps are having, and I'm reading this directly from Consumer Reports. There is a possibility that the cover of one of the fuel pumps could become damaged over time and leak fuel, which may cause a fire. Yeah, that's pretty likely. Supposedly the fix is going to be that the dealers will be replacing both of the high pressure fuel pumps at no cost to customers. So what I would recommend, guys, get in contact with your dealership, schedule an appointment, get that issue resolved, because you do not want your car catching on fire from a fuel leak. Take care, guys. See you on the next video.